Welcome back. In today's video, we discuss about the electrical explosions. So let's start. Electrical explosion or electrical discharge explosion occurs when an electrical current flows through air or another insulating material, causing them intense release of energy in the form of heat, light, sound, and potentially damaging shock waves. To prevent electrical explosions, proper design, maintenance, and insulation of electrical systems are crucial. Fuses, circuit breakers, surge protectors, and other safety devices can help interrupt and isolate faulty circuits before they lead to explosions. Regular inspections and testing can also identify potential risks and mitigate them before they escalate. So, what do you think about this video? Please comment your idea and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release a new video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again with another amazing video.